Hey guys, and welcome back. Please bear with me as I have started a new teeth straightening journey. So as a result, I've got aligners in, so it's going to sound like I have a lisp. On a brighter note, I just wanted to say thank you to all those have this is going to be a nightmare. I just wanted to say thank you to all those that have subscribed. I can see you all. Thank you. And thank you for all those that have watched my latest life update vlog, because the views were crazy. In about a week I had over 400 views and I couldn't believe it. So thank you to everyone watching that vlog, sharing it, sending love, spreading it. Thank you very much. I appreciate it more than you actually know. It literally just, I can't say made my day because it was going on for a couple of weeks. So I'm gonna say it's just great to know that I got such good positive feedback from it. So thank you guys again. Thank you to all those that have just subscribed that are new here. I'm Sash. We're just gonna get into it now. This vlog is just essentials that you'll need for packing in terms of going on holiday. We are in March at the moment and we're hoping that for summer we can go away. I have trips booked, so hopefully I can go. And yeah, I've jotted down some notes in terms of like how to go about it. So the first thing for me would be deciding where I'm going. So unless I've got a really high interest in saying this is where I want to go to, other than that I usually just browse holidays, look at destinations. But for once I've decided on that, then we just take it from there. So one thing to say is life as we know it now is completely different because of COVID, and our essentials packing is going to be slightly different to what we were used to before COVID. So number one, passport. You cannot go anywhere without your passport. You might need a visa or something online, so something electronic, and obviously the passport has to be valid and in date and have, usually depending on where you're going, it could be 3 to 6 months validity from the time you get into the country. Something else that you're going to need for your trip is money. No, there's no pounds here, it's all foreign money. So I've got some US dollars. Oh, like I got a $100 bill. Some Jamaican dollars as well. That's a $1,000 bill there. I tend to keep money as souvenirs as well. So if I go somewhere that I know I may not go back to, then I will keep them as souvenirs. There is a lot of US and a lot of Jamaican dollars because I will always go back to America and Jamaica. But then I've got Croatian kuna, so that's for Croatia. I'm not sure if I'd go back there. I've gone twice already, so in case. I've got Ghanaian CDs and I've got Naira. Cool. So of course number one will be you need your passport to go and any other valid documentation. Because we're in COVID now, you'll probably need a negative COVID test for most places. Some may accept the vaccine, but it's not really spoken about at the moment, so we'll just hold it on as just saying a negative COVID test and whatever requirements that country requires. In terms of other documentation that you may need, travel insurance is another. So if you're going somewhere that you know you're not familiar with at all, it's probably worthwhile to get travel insurance. Alongside that, you've got your adapter for whatever country you're going to. These are things that I would say would need to go into your hand luggage. So these are very important and essential things that you need. Like you can't start a trip without these necessities. Enough of the boring stuff. Let's go into fitting. So clothes. So you will need stuff like, for example, swimsuits, cover-ups, clothes. So when I go on holiday, I tend to have clothes for breakfast, clothes to wear out in terms of for dinner, clothes for just casual outing. And then if you're doing activities, then obviously clothing that you know you don't mind getting messy, so you might have to bring a pair of trainers. Another reason why I would bring trainers is if I plan on going to the gym, so that would be gym wear as well. Alongside that, then you've got jewelry. In terms of shoes, I would have trainers. So usually to the airport I'll probably put on a tracksuit, so that's where my trainers would come in. That might be the only pair of trainers I'm going if we're talking about the summer period. And then I would have usually flip-flops and sandals. Always, 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 which is the key tip, make sure you have spare clothes. Have something in terms of in case of. It could be you go out one day and it's raining and most of your stuff are summer wear and you haven't got anything else, so you might have to switch it up, put on a pair of jeans. I always pack a pair of jeans. I don't like wearing jeans, but in my suitcase there will always be a pair of jeans. Simply because you never know what to expect, and it's always good to have something a bit more covered up, casual. In case you're going somewhere and it might be a bit chilly in the evening, it would be wise to have a jacket. For the ladies, it would be things like hair essentials, makeup, so straighteners, a comb, a brush, makeup remover, skincare routine that you might do. I usually bring my face washes with me, so just because I'm on holiday doesn't mean I'm going to stop doing what I'm doing. SPF is another good one. I tend to have an umbrella in my suitcase as well. Why I do this is not because I expect it to rain where I'm going, but when I come back to the UK, in case I'm not getting picked up, or if I have to go somewhere where there's a bit of journey before I get to maybe the vehicle I'm getting in or something, and I might get wet. You have to prepare for the UK weather, you know how it goes. And perfume and jewellery, that's a key top up for me as well, just to smell fresh while you're on holiday. Obviously deodorant, creams, toothpaste, toothbrush, the basics, everyone knows about that. And it could be wise to have medication. So some people would travel with paracetamol, ibuprofen, any sort of creams or ointments, like mosquito repellent. But enough of me talking, I thought I would just try on some things that I have in the house, just to switch it up, just to show it's a bit more wow. So yeah. Okay, I thought I'd show you guys my suitcase. So mine is one of those big ones that has two parts. So that side will completely zip up, and then you've got this other side. One thing I do when I'm packing is chuck in ideas of things that I want to wear. So I'll put in daytime, evening, casual, everything in there, and then I'll just make a decision closer to the time, try things on, see how they look, and decide from there. So that's what I've done again. Obviously I'm not going anywhere, but this is just for the purpose of the vlog. So I've thrown in a few ideas of fits. Obviously you guys would have seen most of these outfits already, because I'm just going to be recycling them for the purpose of the vlog. So we'll start with this fit first. It's a two-piece. It's a really cute two-piece. I would probably wear this to the beach, or just a nice casual day out, but it has to be nice and hot. A nice crop top with a midi skirt. Then we've got a maxi dress. Nice cute casual dress, Ralph Lauren. It's bright pink. And we've got a simple but still elegant midi dress. So with this, I can dress it up with some sandals or dress it up with some heels. I need to work on my stomach, man, but this dress is tight. It used to fit me great. But yeah, nice dress. This is the exact same dress in a different colour. Again, so simple but elegant. Dressy for evening wear. This is something else I'd probably wear at dinner again. So it's simple. And then at the back, nice little crosshatch detail. Nice velvet dress, short dress, with a little wrap over as well. long sleeve. This is one of my favorite dresses. Nice little slit up the side. It's an oriental style dress, as you can see. I'm in love with the color and the detail. Play suit, which is cute. So I haven't actually buttoned it all the way. Just wear it differently, however you want, all the way up, halfway down. Got pockets as well. So this would be more of a casual day out wear. Got a nice little two-piece, a skirt with a loose baggy long sleeve top, crop top as well. Can have one off the shoulder, nice denim skirt, and then just a casual bright top to go with it. This is giving me real tennis vibes. I think for that we'll leave it there in terms of clothing, and I'll just quickly try on some swimsuits for you. It's always nice to have at least one complete swimsuit. So this is a nice little wraparound. I would style it with this. Just a nice little cover up to go with it, like so. Cute two-piece, so always at least one piece and then a few bikinis. Right, this is the final bikini that I'm gonna show you guys. So we've got a white one, which means any cover up. Something different. I forgot to show you guys my travel pillow, so it's memory foam. Bring that on the flight, clip it onto your hand luggage, and beach towel. And of course, batteries, spare batteries for vlogging. Essential. Another essential for me will be a Bluetooth speaker so that you can enjoy your vibes while you're on holiday, and my mini drone, which I still haven't opened, so I'm gonna do that now. This will be very ideal for traveling, so it comes with a nice little bag that the drone comes in. So that being said, I hope I've covered everything that I can think of for now in terms of essentials, and of course the shades. Where are we going without some shades? Come on. On that note, I'm ready to get my passport and get up out of here, but Boris said it's illegal, so we gotta sit tight and wait. Bags for ladies, bags. Usually I will have a rucksack, which is very easy and go-to for me. Some bum bags as well, just so that it's clipped to you. That way, when you're out and about living your best life, you ain't gotta worry about nothing because it's all strapped to you. Period. That is all I have to say for now. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. And I shall see you in my next one. Can you see how ready I am to travel, guys? I packed a suitcase for you lot. I did a quick pack of a suitcase, got my passport out. Where am I going? Where am I going? I'm going crazy. That's where I'm going. I'm going crazy because I need to get out of this country. But hey, keep subscribing, keep sharing, keep liking. And yeah, thank you.